Welcome to the Jamestown Distributors Workshop in Bristol, Rhode Island. For this project, TJ replaced an old live well pump with a new washdown pump. He chose to use a Jabsco Par Max 3 automatic pump kit and a C-Tech Supercoil side mount hose system. Here's the video of TJ installing the washdown system. First, TJ disconnected the power from the live well pump. Next, he removed the hoses. Once everything was disconnected, he removed the old pump. Next, he removed the old ball valve, and after a quick inspection, he decided it should be replaced. Then TJ used a wire brush to clean the threads of the through hull. TJ used Permatex thread sealant on the hose fitting and ball valve and installed them onto the through hull. Next, TJ chose the best mounting location for the pump. TJ then drilled all of the pilot holes for the pump in a king starboard base he fabricated. Next, he drilled the pilot holes in the boat and filled them with 4200. Then he mounted the base with oversized screws and washers. Next, he mounted the pump to the base, taking care not to compress the rubber grommets. Once the pump was mounted, he installed the filter and finished plumbing to the seacock. Next, TJ held the C-Tech hose housing in place and marked the hole for the water supply. Once marked, TJ used a hole saw to cut a hole for the plumbing. Then he mounted the housing with stainless steel No. 10 self-tapping screws. Once the housing was mounted, he finished the plumbing in the system. Next, he ran the grounding wires to the console by taping the new wire to the old wires and pulling forward. Next, he spliced in the ground wire to a negative bus bar and the power wire to the BEP switch panel. Finally, he spliced in the power and grounding wires to the pump. Once all the connections were made, he secured the wires in place with nylon cable ties and tested the system for power. As with any project, make sure you have an in-depth knowledge of what goes into the installation before you begin. You can find everything you've seen in this video on our website at jamestowndistributors.com.